A smart man knows what to do. A wiser man knows what not to do. Welcome, my friend. Today, we talk about something very important. If you want a happy life, if you want love and respect, you must know what to do. But more than that, you must know what not to do. Many men make mistakes with women. These mistakes bring pain, sadness, and broken hearts. Smart men never make these mistakes. Listen carefully. This will help you. You will learn, you will grow, and you will become better. Also, this is good for your English. Listen again and again. Repeat the words. Understand the meaning. This will make you strong in English and in life. Now, let's talk about something real. Let's talk about life. There was a man named David. David was a kind man. He worked hard. He wanted love. He wanted to be happy. But he made mistakes. He gave too much. He trusted too fast. He ignored the truth. And then, one day, his heart broke. He lost everything. His love left him. His dreams crashed. He sat alone in his small apartment. He asked, "What did I do wrong?" Many men feel like David. Maybe you do too. Maybe you gave your heart, but she walked away. Maybe you loved too much, but she stopped caring. Maybe you tried everything, but nothing worked. This pain is real. But here is the truth. Smart men never make these mistakes. Let's talk about these mistakes. Let's learn. A smart man never begs for love. If she wants to leave, let her go. Love is not a prison. Love is freedom. If she does not choose you, then she is not for you. A man named Jack made this mistake. His girlfriend wanted space, but he did not listen. He called her every day. He sent long messages. He cried. He begged. But the more he chased, the more she ran away. In the end, he lost her respect. A smart man knows. Never beg. A smart man never loses himself for a woman. Yes, love is beautiful, but your dreams, your work, your health, these are important too. A man named Ryan fell in love. He stopped working hard. He stopped going to the gym. He stopped spending time with friends. His whole world became one person. But one day she left. And Ryan had nothing. No job, no health, no happiness. A smart man never stops being himself. A smart man never trusts too fast. Trust takes time. Some women are kind, some are not. Some will love you, some will use you. A man named Chris believed in love at first sight. He met a beautiful woman. He gave her his heart. But she was not honest. She lied. She cheated. She left. And Chris was broken. Smart men take time. They watch. They listen. They trust slowly. Smart man never forgets respect. Some men try too hard to impress. They agree with everything. They say yes when they want to say no. They lose their voice. But women do not respect weak men. A smart man stands strong. He speaks his mind. He has a backbone. A smart man never plays games. Some men think, if I ignore her, she will love me more. Or, if I make her jealous, she will care. But love is not a game. Love is real. Smart men are honest. They are clear. They do not play with feelings. A smart man never stays in a bad relationship. If she hurts you, if she disrespects you, if she lies, walk away. Love is not pain. Love is not suffering. A man named Tom loved a woman who was always angry. She shouted. She insulted him. But Tom stayed. He hoped she would change. She did not. And Tom wasted years of his life. A smart man knows. If it is bad, leave. A smart man never forgets his value. You are important. Your life matters. Your happiness matters. A man named Michael always put his girlfriend first. He gave everything, but she did not respect him. One day, she left, and Michael felt empty. A smart man gives love, but he also loves himself. A smart man never lets fear control him. Some men fear losing a woman. They fear being alone, so they stay in bad relationships. But smart men do not fear. They know alone is better than unhappy. A smart man never forgets to listen. Some men only talk. They do not listen. But women want to be heard. They want to feel understood. A smart man listens. He cares. He remembers the small things. A smart man never rushes love. Some men want love fast. They move too quickly. They say, I love you too soon. But love is a journey. It takes time. A smart man waits. He lets love grow. Now, my friend, I ask you, have you made these mistakes? Have you begged? Have you lost yourself? Have you trusted too fast? It is okay. We all learn. We all grow. But now you know. Now you are smarter. Here is a simple strategy. First, focus on yourself. Love yourself. Build your life. Second, take your time. Do not rush. Trust slowly. Third, respect yourself. If something feels wrong, walk away. Fourth, never fear. You are strong. You will be okay. If you follow this, you will be a smart man. You will be a happy man. And remember, learning never stops. Listen to English stories. Watch videos. Practice every day. Learn more. Grow more. Now, I ask you, what is the biggest mistake men make in love? Tell me in the comments. Let's talk. Let's learn. A smart man knows what to do. A wiser man knows what not to do.